My name is Ingrid Berger Myhre. I'm a dance artist, choreographer, currently based in Brussels. And I'm here in Bassano to work on a new project these 2 weeks called Pan Flutes and Paperwork. But in August I will be back with my most recent solo called Blanks. I work with dance and choreography. I try to think of choreography as something which can contain dance, but is not necessarily relying on dance as its only medium. I embarked on a solo after having been engaged in several collaborations the last year. I felt the need to process quite a lot of that information. I don't think of it as an act of isolation or something like that, but it was important for me to understand some of the other processes I've been through by processing that alone in the studio. In this solo I've been working with text, projection of written text, as well as more theatrical small events and scenarios, gestures, actions, everything that can be part of a physical vocabulary of the body. So I don't think of the separation, for instance, between text and dance as something that belonging to two different regimes. Choreography is spacious and generous enough to host them both, let's say. Well, the question of interpretation is at stake in two ways for me in this solo. First of all, by being the one that embodies the material. I am an interpreter of this piece, of this material. This is coherent with my experience in dance, coming from a dance background, having worked as a dancer and performer before I started to make my own pieces. So the fact of performing my own piece makes sense for me. In line with my, let's say, my background as a dancer. Second aspect of interpretation in this piece has to do with the notions of description. I was interested in ways to describe dance with words. Who is describing the dance? From which point of view? With which agenda? Why is it relevant to describe this dance like this and not like that? Which elements are touched upon, which are not mentioned? All of these questions have to do with the that this question of description raises was for me very enriching to work with in this specific piece, Blanks. The final layer is, of course, how does this come across? And this is kind of, to a certain extent, beyond what I can predict as a choreographer. How the audience pieces the puzzle together is, of course, also part of the choreographic material that I work with. So interpretation is highly at stake on several levels in this piece.